November of 2015, the Lee Creek railway line running from Port Augusta to Lee Creek coalfield was closed by Linta Energy as it was found not to be viable anymore. The line has been left abandoned, and this is how it currently is as of today. However, on the 14th of February 1955, a huge flood flowed down the Hookina Creek and washed away the narrow gauge bridge on the old gun line at the Hookina railway siding. In these images, you can see the large concrete bridge pylons laying on their sides. The weight of these would be at least 80 tonnes, and the cement was mixed by hand. It's been rumoured that not all of the columns are visible, that because of the swirl of the water around the pylon bases, they self-drilled into the ground, never to be seen again. As can be seen here, the flow of the Hookina Creek has already started to erode around the base of the new bridge. So one only has to imagine the amount of water coming down during the flood and the power that it had behind it to understand how it moved those 80-ton columns.